Oh, yeah.
I got a big note. Yes. Yeah.
Just a minute, Amy.
I got some stickers too, but they are. Grandma, look at the stickers.
Hi, Abby.
Hi.
You're going to take your coat off?
Look at the stickers, Grandma.
Okay. Oh, for goodness sakes.
Yeah. I got little envelopes and some paper in here. Grandma, you can't come in your bedroom.
Okay. Amy, what do you got in your hand? No, the other hand. No, what you got your arm around? What are you holding? Oh, you dropped it. What is that?
Who is he? His name is Barney.
Oh, what do you want? You do? What color? What is that? Who is that?
Barney.
Is it? You dropped him again. Oh.
What is Amy's doing?
Bye-bye, Grandma.
What did you guys do? Come to decorate the tree?
Yeah, buddy.
Oh, good.
She wants a
Huh?
color.
Sucking on extension cord. How come?
I don't know.
Oh, look at Grandma.
What are you
Take
doing?
a picture.
Yeah. Is that a Christmas tree? What color is the lights,
What
huh?
color is them lights? Blue? Abby, what color is them lights, Amy? Blue? Say blue. Pretty blue, tell her. Tell Grandma, pretty blue. Blue. Yeah, you like them? Huh? You like them?
Pretty blue light.
What do you think, Anna? What color are they?
Blue.
How many blue ones on there?
I don't know. 20.
Are they all blue?
Yeah. I'll say 20.
Yeah.
I would say 100 million.
That's a lot, Anna. That's a lot, 100 in a million.
Amy, no, don't open up that. That's for Grandma. I'm gonna put this on.
Oh, okay, I'll get you.
Okay. Good go.
What you got, Amy?
Did you see her look at the tree and laugh? Here, John.
What you got, Amy? Huh? Pretty nice. Pretty nice, Amy. What? What do you got?
You got a boo-boo?
Boo-boo? You got a bobble? You do?
Oh, John, we got
Oh.
a parade going on, John.
Huh? Uh-oh. We got a show going on here.
You done? Beautiful. You need this snap. Oh, okay.
Grandma, we're gonna put on a little play. And we're gonna do it again to put the tree in the
Oh, that was so good. Yeah.
Grandma, all four of us girls are going to do a play in front of the Christmas tree.
Yeah.
It's all decorated.
There you go. Okay. You get them cut? Are you cutting it? What do you want? You want
I
one?
need a punch out. One more.
A punch outer? Oh, here.
Leave these ones on.
Amber, we gotta decorate the tree.
I know, we're getting ready for the play.
Huh?
We're getting ready for the play.
Mm.
I don't have a punch outer.
First we need to get the tree decorated. All four of us girls are going to do it. Papa.
What? You do? Oh, it's that pretty.
We can start to play now.
Where are you at? Huh? Where's Abby? There you are. That Abby? That's Papa's.
Oh, yeah.
Amy, you don't have that on. You don't have it on. Well, you got to put it on. There you go. There you go. Oh, yeah. Ab's sleeping.
Amy, what you doing? Huh?
Oh, what a beautiful day! I must go down the stairs. Oh, I forgot. Emma, come on. I need to get ready.
I think that's a pair of my shorts. I'm not sure.
Are you ready?
Okay, we'll wait. Oh, there goes my sled.
Because the ducks are going to
What? Are you ready?
in a big bag. These will be presents.
Papa, wait.